Brooks, the Grinch that ran over Christmas, has been charged in Delhi Waukesha Christmas parade crash. And the breaking news is prosecutors say a sixth victim, a child, has died. So we're now up to 6 intentional murders. Just watched the initial appearance where they did bail, and the judge said he's never seen anything like it. He said he's been doing this for 40 years, and never has he seen a police officer, much less 2 police officers, testify that it was an obviously intentional act. He was aiming for people to run over. Darrell Brooks Jr. was charged with 5 counts of intentional homicide that crashed Sunday in Waukesha, a Milwaukee suburb. Conviction of first-degree intentional homicide carries a mandatory life sentence, Wisconsin's stiffest penalty. In 1853, Wisconsin abolished the death penalty. Brooks made his initial appearance in court Tuesday. He could be heard crying during the proceeding. I never heard him crying during the proceeding. Leaning over his head nearly in his lap, and his attorney resting a hand on his back. He was rocking back and forth. Didn't even notice the attorney's hand on his back. His live stream video and bystander video captured the chaotic scene when an SUV sped along the parade route and into the crowd. Several of those injured remained in critical condition. According to the criminal complaint, witnesses told police that the vehicle appeared to be intentionally moving side to side with no attempt to slow down or stop as it struck multiple people and sent bodies and objects flying. The criminal complaint said a police officer shot at the vehicle, striking it 3 times. The detective stepped in front of Brooks' vehicle, pounded on the hood, shouting, "Stop," several times, but Brooks drove past him. The complaint said the detective was wearing police insignia and neon orange safety vest. Brooks had been free on $1,000 bail for a case in Milwaukee early in November. Yeah, he got freed on Friday, then killed on Sunday. One pending case against Brooks included allegations he deliberately hit a woman with his car in early November, the same car he used to plow through parade partitioners. Julius Kim, the defense attorney and former assistant prosecutor, said the bail could easily have been set more than twice as high. I'm surprised it wasn't. He's accused of running over the mother of his kid, and to put it at $1,000 strikes me as low. He could have been an experienced attorney who happened to be reviewing cases that day. Waukesha Police Chief Dan Thompson said Brooks was leaving the scene of a domestic dispute that had taken place minutes earlier when he drove into the parade route. He didn't say that today. I don't know when he said that, but doesn't seem right. He's been charged more than 2 dozen crimes, or more than a dozen crimes. I think it's more than 2 dozen since 1999. He just got out of jail in Georgia. We don't have a knee-jerk reaction here and say, let's lock up a lot of people. Pre-trial, said John Gross, a law professor at Wisconsin. I'm sure the district attorney's office is going to look back at this and ask themselves, did we get this wrong? Yeah, probably. This is such an extreme incident. Could they reasonably expect that he would get behind a vehicle and run people down on his parade route? This is so stupid. I'm not going to read the rest of this because I'll tell you why. It is Kyle Rittenhouse had a $750,000 bond. They were, or bail, whatever they call it in Wisconsin. They raised it to $1 million because of being a flight risk. He's 17 years old. I don't even know if he has his driver's license. $1 million. All right? This guy ran over his baby mama. It was given a $1,000 bail after a lifetime. He spent more time in the judicial system than he did free. He's never done anything good for anybody else his entire life. He's never tried to improve anything. He's never tried to make life easier on people. He's done nothing but been a criminal waste and dredge of society. And he's killed 6 people. Why? Because he got a little argument, domestic fight. What do you think arguments are like in prison? His feelings were hurt. His feelings. I'm sick and tired of your damn feelings. Go to hell. Burn there. See if I care. Love you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember, it's Thanksgiving. We're going to have a good time. We're going to leave on a good note. So, other than that, unless you are Darrell Brooks, who sucks, I want you to have a very blessed day, a good holiday season, and you come back, follow me. We'll be back here having a good time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Appreciate it.